subscriber ko.
Happy birthday, Tita Lai!
Makiingay!
I don't think she meant it like that.
Sobrang sa'yo nung isa! Sobrang sa'yo nung isa! Ulan kita!
Tayo, baby!
His favorite candy.
Wala naman yun!
And then goat Shelby.
Ano daw?
Goat!
Okay, so let's start. The Shih Tzu, si Liempo, and the goat, si...
Sample.
Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. Honestly, naging close lang kami kasi nilalandi niya ako. Tapos wala, patawalan naman ako so pinalalandi ko rin ba. Pero to me, specifically, parang it's her way of showing me that she cares for me and she wants me to be around. And to me naman, that's all I really could ask for. And even though now we don't, in senior high, we don't see each other on a regular basis like everybody else here. Every time that she invites me, I feel very included, and that's what she always makes me feel in every gathering that we have. And you know, that's all I could ask from her. All I could ask from her, and it's comforting to know that you'll always have my back, and I will always have yours. So, happy birthday! I love you.
Love you.
I don't know the song.
Go, stand up.
I'm sure all of you know about the story of me and Frankie. And, pero,
Please start from the beginning.
That's not what I want to talk about. I want to your friends know, everyone knows how open you are. And being close to you means that you will also be close to your family, and it'll also bring you close to God. And being able to experience that and take part in that is truly a blessing, and I'm really grateful for that, and I'm grateful for you, Frankie. Happy birthday.
I was a basher of Frankie. Kasi Frankie's super maangas. Yung typical na cool kid athlete at first. Perspective of her is all different now. Kasi I get to know her, which some people hindi nila nagagawa yun. Kaya they don't really see who Frankie really is. And Frankie's a big part of my life. Kasi Frankie is the one who changed the way I think. She introduced WOBA to me and has reminded me to be grateful, which is something that I truly cherish till now. And Frankie made a big impact on me, and I'll forever be grateful of her. Yeah, I love you.
Love you.
More than friends, on one side Hindi na Graces. Di ka naman trip si Frankie nun. Di ka maganda. Pero, di ka naman siya trip nun. Pero, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero parang pag nakita mo si Frankie, parang may dating to ah. Parang may, parang pwede mong tropahan to eh. Kaya,
Doon ko siya first na-meet, tapos hindi ko talaga siya pinapansin. Kasi ang kulit niya, tapos lagi niya akong in-English ko nun sa, ano to? Ayun siya, tapos basta nag-usap lang talaga kami nung, may nagluto na ng sinigang. Tapos tinimplahan ko gano'n, tapos, doon gano'n. Sa kanya din ako natuto maging, clingy, gano'n, baby talk. Lagi ko din sinasabi sa kanya na, thankful ako kasi super dami kong natutunan sa kanya. And na-meet ko din si Wawa. Ayun, love na love ko si Frank. Happy birthday.
Kasi initially, I knew Frankie as someone who's really big on family. And that's really nice of her. And syempre, nowadays, parang relationships like that with your family is very rare. So she's very blessed to have that. And I'm sure naman she doesn't take it for granted. Pero, ayun nga, parang napansin ko sa kanya na dahil she's so big on family, parang she doesn't open up that much to her friends. O kaya parang hindi siya masyadong open to having friends kasi nga, she thinks na, I have my family, okay na ako. Ganun. But now, parang, siguro senior high, she's slowly opening up to people and parang letting other people get to know her, see right through her. And it's something na I am very blessed to witness kasi I feel like Frankie kasi is not just a friend that you'd spend your good times with.
The youngest among my girls, and up to now, when she's in San Mateo, kaming dalawa yung magkatabi when we sleep. And the other two sisters here beside me would always say, "Mommy, big girl na yan, let her do it, let her do that." And I would always say, "No, she's the only one who's asking for my help to do this and to do that. Let her." Sabi ko, even until forever, she becomes my baby. Sabi, she's always the one who's very conscientious on everything. She may delay telling me things, but she would tell me her secrets. So alam ko, mga secrets nyo.
paint a picture with my hand. Change the weather, sing together when it ends.
Kasi dati, pag kumakanta siya sa kantina,
Oh my God,
kumakanta siya sa kantina, tapos parang puta. Nakakainit na talaga, swear. Kasi parang boses niya ang kiki nun. Tapos may gitara pa talaga siya. Ang lalaki. Uy, parang maganda yun.
sige na po.
Pasensya na daw sa templo. Pangkain lang po, sabi ng paslit.
Paslit ang po.
Santong kabayo! Natatawa ako!
Tanda.
Hindi ko kasi marinig.
Papala ka pa kami.
Di mo marinig lakas-lakas.
Huwag mo pansinin. Ang nanihira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Nasi Manasi! Sino ba sila? Ikaw yan. Ayoko niyan.
Ay, God. I want you so bad.
Hindi, syempre.
Lamig.
Sa baba lang po. Sabi ng Bananas! Santo Kabayo! Natatawa ako!
Uy, food ko!
And
May vocal box, may vocal box.
such silence. Who are we listening? You see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their bombs. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh.
Zo na naman!
She said never in your wildest dreams, and we dance all night to the best song ever. You know, every night. Now I can't remember. Nothing like yes, best song ever.
Stand up!
And we dance all night to the best song ever. You know, every night. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know not I won't forget. Cause we dance all night to the best song ever.
Mawala yung crush ko sa kanya. Oh,
Tama naman natin, diba? Kasi kapag kinikip mo kaya, parang mas lalong... Dita kaya ko talagang umamin. Kaya ko talagang umamin. Kasi bakit nararamdaman ko. Tama. Sinisave ko yung first kiss ko sa ano. Hi!